guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is Kajol and today I have this 5-minute quick and easy model of beauty makeup look for you guys. So I won't waste much of your time. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Right there on top of the moon.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is use a moisturizer. I'm using this Nivea soft cream on my face. What I do is I just dot the moisturizer on my entire face and I gently rub it in. Over here it's going to look like I'm using way too much pressure guys, but I don't. I gently rub the moisturizer in my skin and I use bare minimum pressure. Next up is SPF. I'm using the Lotus SPF 50. You guys, I am super big on SPF. Even if I'm not going outside, I will still religiously wear SPF every day. Maybe I should do a video on my entire collection of SPFs as well. I'm just going to apply the SPF on my entire face, rub it down my neck and not to forget my chest. For the natural look, I don't usually go for a foundation. I just use a high coverage concealer. This one is from MAC. It is NC35. I just apply it under my eyes, on my any pimples and blemishes that I have, and also I have a scar on my face, so I conceal that. I will also apply the same concealer to the outer corners of my eyes. You will see in a minute, like this, in order to give my eyes an uplifted kind of a look, not a drag down kind of a look. And just use the same concealer to hide any blemishes that I have. I will just blend with a normal brush. You can use any brush that you like, but one thing that I want you to keep in mind while blending your concealer, around the eye especially, is that always blend your concealer in the upward direction so that it gives your eyes an uplifted look and not like a dragged down kind of a look. And also when you spot conceal, don't just conceal the pimple or the blemish. Make sure you're like blending the concealer around as well. I will just use a blender so that there are no harsh lines from the brush, because I just hate that kind of look. You can see that in person. Next up, I'm going to powder my face with this Maybelline Super Fresh powder. I'm going to powder my entire face because you guys, it's summertime, we sweat a lot and I don't want my concealer to budge anywhere. That's why I'm going to powder my entire face. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Elegirl eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it directly on my lid. I don't have any primer or any base right now. I'm just applying it directly to my lid because it is of the shade that my natural lid color is. I'm also going to use the same brush and apply the eyeshadow in an angled manner so that it gives my eyes an elongated kind of a look. And apply the same eyeshadow to the outer 1/3 of my eye, not dragging it all the way in, just the outer 1/3. I will now highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes using the same champagne color in the eyeshadow palette. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Hoola Benefit bronzer. It's just a normal tan bronzer and I'm going to contour my face with it. The cheekbones, the jawline, my forehead and my nose. I know you're supposed to use a different brush for your nose, but for an everyday look, I don't like too precise of a nose, like super sharp and contoured nose. So I'm going to use the same brush and contour my nose with it. I'll just blend the contour with the same beauty blender because I don't like those harsh lines. I like it more, natural look. For my cheeks, I'm going to use this Benefit Benetint as my blush. Just dot it on my cheeks and blend it with my finger. I'll repeat the same step on the other side as well. And on my nose, I feel like when you apply blush on the nose, it just gives you that super fresh, sun-kissed kind of a look, and I really adore that. Plus, even if I'm not wearing any makeup, my face tend to get a little red on my cheeks and my nose and my chin, so I tend to apply blush over that area. For my lips, I tend to go for a lipstick that is next to my lip color, like similar shade as my natural lips are. So I'm going to use this NYX lipstick and I'm just going to dot it and blend it with the finger so that it looks more natural again. Now for eyebrows, I don't really do much. I'm trying to grow out my eyebrows, guys. That's why they look super bushy right now. I just use a clear mascara or a clear gel for my eyebrows and brush them upwards. For my highlighter as well, I like to go for subtle highlighters, not golden, not out there highlighters. I just use the highlighter on my high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I like to use this same highlighter on the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and the inner corner of my eyes to intensify whenever the light will hit my face. Using the same highlighter on my collarbones. If you guys have off shoulder tops, you can use that on your shoulders as well. Coming on to the mascara, I use this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal, and I just like coat the tip of my lashes, not going way too in, just like tip of my eyelashes, so that it just gives them a natural curl and nothing much. So that was the final look, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you ever recreate this look, make sure to tag me in all of your photos, and I'll see you guys next time.